right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the default web browser on a Mac computer. All right, so that's pretty straightforward, but might not be as obvious where you do this. And so to do this, you are going to go to the Apple, click on Settings, System Settings right there. Oddly, you have to kind of scroll down to Desktop and Dock. And so that's where the area is. If you scroll down in here, you'll see default web browser. Right now, mine is Chrome. And so where this comes into play is if you're in some application like Word or Adobe Acrobat Reader, and you have a link in there and you click that link. So mine comes up in Chrome because that is my default browser. But if I went back to that settings page and went ahead and made it Safari, and it saves right away, you'll see that when I click this link, now Safari opens. All right, so that's it. Hopefully this is helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.